Hello, my name is Adiola Onosanya. Today I want to teach you the sound, words with the sound. And remember that letter U sounds letter U sounds letter U sounds So there are words that has the sound. For example, we have letter U words sounding to be gun, sun, run, and bounce. Bounce, not bounce, not run. We're not supposed to be saying gone. It's gun, sun, run, and the rest of or some words that has the sound. Then letter O can also sound Letter O can sound in words such as sun. Yes, sun. S-O-N. It's not son. It's not my son. It's son. Son. It is mother, not mother. It's brother, not brother. It's which other word? It's oven, not oven. It's oven, 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 not oven. That's what I'm having for you today. Hope you were able to learn how to correctly pronounce words. Remember that S-O-N is not son, it's sun. Sun, sun. There's nothing like oven. It's oven, oven. Including money. We're not supposed to say money. It's money, money, money. Because the letter O in this word sounds and not O. Once again, my name is Adiola Onosanya. Thanks for listening. Thanks. Till I see you next another time. God bless you. Bye.